Hi, welcome to the GF channel. Today's episode we are fixing that wobbling thing which in the camera doesn't seem that, but on live it's way faster. Camera smooths it. And you can actually even see how here it's vibrating, and when I touch it, it just vibrates. So we're going to fix that hopefully today. Now a few years back I had this crash, small crash, from here, and ever since I had the light flicker. Now I thought, because this was actually broken, I thought it's from that part, but now I installed these projector headlights in different headlights, these projectors in different headlights. So this is brand new headlight, not brand new but second hand, and the guy I took it from said he doesn't have any problems, he didn't have any problems with it, so the problem should lie within me, and this is fixed. But while actually I was taking off the headlight, I noticed this piece was missing. I had it on the opposite side, this one was missing here, so I'm hoping this tiny little thing would be the issue, and when I place it back it won't wobble. Now if I do this, you can hear it hitting the bumper because it can wobble. If I do it here, no, sounds are coming from there, but not here. So I'm hoping this little fixator, because there is just the Apple thingy coming in to this, clicking in here, this will fix the issue once I actually place it. Now this one is here at that side. I'm really hoping I don't need to remove the bumper, because to remove the headlight you do need to remove the bumper. But I'm hoping just to place this one I would somehow get away without removing the bumper. Let's see. Okay, see that ellipse-like hole here? I cannot point it because I'm holding the light down there. This is where we need to put the ellipse, this one. We need to put it in here. I think there is enough space. So I only removed the grill here and the turn light. Also removed this one, but I don't think that's budging anyhow, because there are two bolts here and here that hold the whole thing. Then just from here and those two, unscrew the headlight, and it has enough play for me to actually insert it. And here we have it. I managed to simply put it in, no problems, and we are ready to assemble everything and see if that fixed it. And that's the final result. There is no longer this huge shaking. It shakes a little bit, just a little bit, but I see the other one does the same, and I don't see it on the camera. It's so little that the camera cannot pick it up, and the other one does the same. So probably that's a stock behavior. I'm not worried about that. It's no longer that big shaking. I'll bleed it for a bit so we see if there's something else. Nope. I'm happy. I'm very happy with the result. Now these do not have left and right. That's why I bought two of those from the same car, the left and the right. And I have one just in case. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe. I will be posting more videos soon. Bye bye.